Institute of Pathology at Klinikum Kassel, GNH, is one of biggest pathological institutes in Germany and one of oldest one. We cover whole spectrum of pathological diagnostic in every aspect of general and special pathology, neuropathology, molecular pathology, cytology or immunohistochemistry. We are very innovative and are looking for ways to make a service for cooperating hospital better.
We as Regional Management of North Hesse, we build the bridges between the public sector and the economy. And in this health sector, we are very happy that there is a realistic interest by the hospitals to get involved with air mobility. And this is our motivation to take this project as a chance to get air mobility started in North Hesse, because it's an innovational theme where we see more advantages than risks.
What's happened with patient frozen section diagnostic, we offer this kind of diagnostic intraoperatively. It means the patient is under anesthesia and surgery team are already performing a surgery. One tissue sample will taken and transported to pathology to know what the kind of disease the patient has. The transport of probes takes much longer than a whole time of preparing a frozen section pathology. We offer this kind of diagnostic only for cooperation hospitals in Kassel. For district hospital, we don't offer this diagnostic at all because the transport time are absolutely unpredictable. What we can do with the drone fly, we can expand our offering of diagnostic to district hospital.
In this special case, I think the main focus is on time. Time we can use for the operation, the patient, and time which we don't lose anymore on transportation. And therefore the drones are a very important tool to get a better health care in the region.